when you own your own wallet, may seed phrase yan. Anytime na may humingi ng seed phrase, scam yun. Please do note that never ever give your seed phrase to anyone else. Never ever let anyone know what it is. Huwag nyo siya i-store sa internet. Itago nyo siya sa isang lugar na safe and secure para sa inyo na walang makakakuha, walang may access. Hi everyone. So over the past few weeks, we've been getting a lot of questions about Axie Infinity as a game. But this video won't be primarily about Axie Infinity, but how you can actually get started also to be able to fund yung pang Axie Infinity ninyo and also to get started in the cryptocurrency market. Kasi yung hindi naintindihan ng madaming tao is that Axie Infinity is a game. Pero Axie Infinity is an NFT blockchain-based game that's riding the Ethereum network. So, above and beyond na matuto tayo maglaro, gumaling tayo doon, kailangan din natin matutunan yung mga paikot-ikot, paano ka makakapagpasok ng pera from fiat or peso papunta sa isang platform. From that platform, i-convert mo yung peso mo papunta sa Ethereum, which is something that's used sa Axie Infinity. Then from Ethereum, ililipat mo siya sa wallet. So in this video, we will show you the process on how you can actually start entering the cryptocurrency market. Kung gusto mo mag-Axie, you can follow this. Kung gusto mo lang din talaga mag-cryptocurrencies, you can still also follow this. And yung pinaka-goal nito at layunin nito is to be able to help you so that you can have the right information on how you can actually enter. So before I begin, gusto ko i-differentiate yung dalawang klaseng currencies. Number one is peso, which is backed by the Philippine government. And then you have cryptocurrencies, which depende sa cryptocurrency na pinag-uusapan natin, is backed by algorithms, it's digital property. So, meron siyang conversion rate to each other. Kaya pwede mo siya i-swap from peso to a particular cryptocurrency and then cryptocurrency to particular peso amount. So, isipin mo na para siyang dollar or para siyang ginto na meron siyang value na pwede mo siyang i-swap. At ulitin ko to, kung gusto mo itong pasukin, please remember that yung pera na ipapasok mo is an amount of money that yung hindi mo kailangan gamitin na above and beyond your savings. Since ililipat mo siya palabas ng peso, dapat yung intention mo dito, hindi mo siya gagalawin for a period of time. Na kahit umakyat siya or bumaba, it's something that's separate sa pang-araw-araw mo. So first things first, kailangan mong gawin is yung peso mo malipat sa isang platform na nag-a-allow sa'yo para ma-trade siya into a cryptocurrency market. So for this particular video, I want to show you Exchange, a platform that's regulated in the Philippines. And madami nagtatanong, since cryptocurrencies is something that's new, how can I keep my money safe? How can I keep my money also protected? One way is to go through exchanges and platforms that are regulated in the Philippines. And in the Philippines, one of them is PDAX. PDAX stands for Philippine Digital Asset Exchange. So if you want to try that, go to pdax.ph and then very, very simple. Kung wala ka pang account, click nyo yung create account. Katulad ng mga ibang investments, kahit mag-mutual fund ka, mag-VUL ka, mag-stocks ka, it will ask you for details on how you can actually start, contact information also to prove also your identity. When you give your information also, it serves also as your protection since PDAX is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So once na nakapag-open ka na ng account, that gives you access in order for you para malipat mo yung peso mo into the platform, into the exchange. So, papakita ko ngayon sa inyo kung paano nyo siya magagawa also and paano mo siya malilipat. So, once na nabuksan nyo na yung account ninyo, punta kayo sa funds na option, itong button na to. So, after going through that, you will be led to these pages. And this is very straightforward kung na-try nyo na mag-transfer sa iba pang mga online platform. Pag sinasabi ng ibang tao na sobrang komplikado na mag-invest sa cryptocurrencies, hindi naman kasi kung sanay na kayo mag-transact online, it's almost in the same fashion. First step, kailangan mo syempre ng peso, bukod sa peso, peso na hindi mo gagamitin, tapos kailangan mo magbukas ng exchange. So, number 3 is transfer your money from peso papunta dun sa exchange. So, punta kayo sa funds, then click payment in. Yan. So, next thing that you need to do is piliin nyo kung anong currency na gusto nyo ilipat. Since peso, yung meron kayo, click peso, fiat currencies, then click cash in. Yan. So, pagka-click nyo ng cash in, ito yung lalabas. At yung amazing doon is this. Madami kayong mga options na banking options para makapag-transfer and lahat to online. I think that's one of the biggest advantages pag mag-i-invest kayo sa cryptocurrency market. Sobrang daming options not just to open an account online, no? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-fill up ng forms over the counter. Kung nasan ka man sa Pilipinas, kahit nasa Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao ka, pwede mo itong gawin sa bahay mo. Pwede mo itong gawin as long as meron kang online access. Kita nyo naman, halos lahat ng bangko na available nandito. So for example, click lang tayo, simulate lang tayo. Click mo to, and then pwede mo na i-input kung anong amount na gusto mo. May mga limits lang sila on a daily basis kung anong pwede mong gamitin. Pero since regulated sila ng Bangko Sentral, this is part of the process in order also to secure your money as well. Very, very straightforward yung pagpasok ng pera. Pwede nyo rin gawin via e-wallet, GCash, Coins, PayMaya, GrabPay, etc. So, you're covered. Dahil alam ko lahat ngayon, gumagamit ng Grab, gumagamit ng GCash, gumagamit ng PayMaya, gumagamit ng Coins. So, sobrang dali mag-transfer from your e-wallets or even from your bank accounts para pondohan nyo yung PDAX account niyo. Next step that you can actually do right now is after transferring the money, kailangan mo na siya ipalit into cryptocurrencies. And kung maglalaro kayo ng Axie Infinity, kailangan nyo ng Ethereum. Di ba pupunta kayo sa mall, may dala kang peso, papalit mo siya sa dollar, meron kang 50 pesos, bibigyan ka nila, pagka lapag mo doon, bibigyan ka nila ng $1. That's what we're actually doing here. That yung peso natin, pinapalit natin ngayon sa Ethereum. So pag gusto mo i-swap yung peso mo sa Ethereum, click mo yung trade and you will be led to this particular page. At gusto ko to sabihin, pwedeng hindi naman kayo maglaro ng Axie Infinity, pwede nyo itago lang din yung Ethereum, pwede mo siyang hold or pwede mo rin bilhin yung Bitcoin. So, dito, papasok mo, for example, pwede kang bumili ng 1 ETH. It doesn't have to be na 1 ETH yung bilhin mo. It can be smaller than that. So, people get intimidated pagdating sa Bitcoin, pagdating sa Ethereum kasi, kailangan ko maglabas ng 2.4 million pesos para makabili ako ng Bitcoin. Kailangan ko maglabas ng 165,000 pesos para makabili ako ng Ethereum. One of the characteristics of cryptocurrencies, it's divisible. Meaning, pwede kang bumili ng 0.0001 BTC. Whatever yung equivalent nun, yun lang yung babayaran mo sa peso. Or pwedeng baliktad. Gusto mong magpasok ng 1,000 pesos lang, gusto mo magpasok ng 5,000 pesos lang, yun lang yung gusto mo i-swap. So 5,000 pesos, kung ano man yung value ng Bitcoin at that time, bibigyan ka niya ng equivalent na Bitcoin. Bibigyan ka rin niya ng equivalent na Ethereum. So depending on what you want to use and depending also on what you want to do with it as well. So lalabas, by the way, dito, no, pwede mo i-swap yung even two largest and most used cryptocurrencies, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And for me, no, these are my two favorite cryptocurrencies in general, because Bitcoin for me is digital gold. Bitcoin for me is digital apex property. It's one of the most important, most relevant cryptocurrencies ever. It's a store of value. Pero bukod doon, Ethereum also is one of my favorites because Ethereum, hindi lang siya katulad ng Bitcoin na store of value or pwede siya maging medium of exchange. Ethereum also has a lot of functionalities on top of it. You can build smart contracts. You can build so many things. I'm not gonna bore you with all of the intricacies of it. Pero isipin nyo to, the reason why nakakapaglaro tayo ng Axie Infinity is that nakasakay siya sa Ethereum blockchain, and then yung characters na ginagamit nyo doon, na binibili nyo na panlaro, those are all NFTs, which are things that sumasakay siya sa Ethereum blockchain. And that's what makes Ethereum very, very valuable. So, ganun. So, i-input nyo kung ilan Ethereum gusto nyo, tapos papasok nyo yung presyo na gusto nyo ilagay. So, pwedeng 165,600 pesos. Then, until meron magbenta na at that particular price, yung transaction mo makukomplete. You can opt to trade when it's more feasible. You can opt to trade when it's more applicable also for you. So, pili kayo ng price na based sa analysis niyo, tingin nyo acceptable na siya, tingin nyo mura na siya. Please don't base whatever you're buying just because sinabi ng ibang tao, kasi iba-iba tayong pananaw, iba-iba tayong perspective, iba-iba tayong mga techniques sa pag-invest. So, kung ano yung na-research nyo, kung ano sa tingin nyo yung okay na para sa inyo, that's what you start to enter into and that's what you start to buy as well. Once you start to own already your Ethereum, yung next step is kailangan mo siyang matransfer dun sa wallet address na ginawa ninyo. So, kailangan mong i-input yung ETH address kung saan mo siya ilipat, then yung amount na gusto mong ipasok. To be able to open a wallet that can actually use for Axie Infinity, just go to MetaMask. It's what you call a hot wallet that's basically connected to the internet. Pag nasa PDAX kasi yung pera nyo, you are trusting that PDAX will take good care of your money. Once na na-transfer mo na siya sa MetaMask, kailangan nyo siya pag-ingatan ng mabuti. Pag nawala nyo siya, pag na-transfer nyo na siya, na-hack kayo, wala nang pwedeng tumulong sa inyo. So yun yung pros and cons also if you have an institution like PDAX securing your coins, and then you also have self-custody na na-transfer mo na siya sa MetaMask wallet mo. I use both, pero since I like using my phone more, primarily at least for hot wallets, I normally just use my phone. Very rarely that I would use a browser extension for it. As much as possible, I try to segregate yung pang browsing ko also versus yung ginagamit ko for cryptocurrencies. And when you own your own wallet, may seed phrase yan. Anytime na may humingi ng seed phrase, scam yun. Please do note that never ever give your seed phrase to anyone else. Never ever let anyone know what it is. Huwag nyo siya i-store sa internet. Itago nyo siya sa isang lugar na safe and secure para sa inyo na walang makakakuha, walang may access. To generate a MetaMask, just have to load it. Lalabas siya dito, then you have to input your password, and then may address yan. Please make sure yung blockchain na ginagamit nyo kapareho sa blockchain kung saan ka also maglilipat. So, kung ERC20 lang dapat lagi. May possibility na mawala yung pera nyo if you're transferring it to the wrong wallet using the wrong blockchain as well. So, kung ano yung wallet na meron dito, mahabang address yan, yun yung kailangan nyo i-input dun sa PDAX wallet ninyo. Yun yung process flow no, kung paano ka makapaglipat. Kung gusto mong either bumili ng cryptocurrencies, bumili ng Ethereum, or gusto mong gamitin yung Ethereum also para makalaro ka ng Axie Infinity as well. So first step, syempre kailangan mo ng peso na hindi mo gagamitin na talagang intended siya for buying crypto or intended siya na panglaro sa Axie Infinity. Second step is kailangan mo ng platform, kailangan mo ng exchange kung saan mo gagawin lahat ng mga transaction mo. Mag-open ka ng account sa PDAX, which is BSP regulated, which is pegged also to the peso. Kung yun yung orientation mo, it's somehow easier also for you to do it. Then after that, pagka-open mo ng account, kailangan mong pondohan from peso, which you're using either e-wallets or online bank accounts para ma-transfer yung pera mo into PDAX. And once nasa PDAX na siya, kailangan mo na siya i-swap from peso papunta sa Ethereum. Pwede rin Bitcoin na. Please don't limit yourself just to Ethereum dahil yun yung ginamit natin na example. Pero pwedeng from peso to Ethereum to anong price yung okay sa inyo tsaka kung anong amount of peso, dami ng Ethereum na gusto nyo bilhin. Once na-swap nyo na siya, kailangan mo na siya ilipat sa isang hot wallet, and yung sa example natin, MetaMask yung ginamit natin. It will give you an Ethereum-based address there. Then, you will have to transfer yung nasa PDAX mo papunta dun sa Ethereum-based wallet. It's not as complicated as what most people think it is. Pero yung maganda nito, once na you already own cryptos, it will open up a world of opportunities for you that cryptocurrencies are the future. And the fact that madaming tao hindi naintindihan kung anong cryptocurrencies, it tells you that gaano kalaki pa yung pwede nitong ma-achieve na upside, because always think about it as Bonifacio Global City year 2000. No one knew how big it could actually be to where it is actually right now. So always remember this, that when majority of the people don't understand it yet, there's fear, there's anxiety, there's doubt, there's also paano kung mawala siya, which is totoo naman. There will always be risks attached to investments that you will try to deploy capital on. That's normal. That happens. That is the prevailing theme also when it comes to your money. Kaya kailangan nyo pag-aralan eh. That's why you need to spend a lot of time in order for you to know what you're getting into. And madaming resources yung PDAX also to educate you. I'll put the link down in the description below if you want to know more about Bitcoin, if you want to know more about Ethereum, and if you want to know more about PDAX. I think it's a future. I'll continually invest in this because I believe in it, and it's something that took me the time also to be able to learn, and took me the time also to be able to understand it with greater conviction. And it's not as complicated. Hindi siya ganun kahirap, hindi siya ganun kahirap intindihin na kahit nasan ka man, pwede mo siyang simulan. Kahit nasan ka man, pwede ka mag-invest dito. Kahit nasan ka man, hindi mo kailangan ng sobrang laking pera para mag-invest. And regardless kung gusto mo maglaro ng Axie Infinity or gusto mo lang hawakan yung Ethereum or Bitcoin or gusto mo talagang ma-practice kung ano yung sinasabi nila about cryptocurrencies, then try it. Once you start to learn more about it, that's when you start to add more, because at the end of the day, the goal of this channel really is to provide more options to you on how you can invest properly and how you can reach your goals of financial freedom. So there, if you want to start investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to buy Bitcoin, you want to buy Ethereum, and you want to transfer it for you to be able to buy Axies as well, I'll put the link in the description below. If you want to venture into it as well, you can try PDAX. What's nice about them is they're pegged to the peso, and they're also regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, let's see if we can make more videos surrounding this topic as well. But if you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. And if you guys stayed until the end, comment, I stayed up until the end. So this is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.